Well, here we are again. It's Robert Hernandez with 10-day home buyers out here again in Dallas. We've got a rehab going on here. Let's go inside, have a look, and see what we got. I have not looked at this property yet. We just got it 2 weeks ago. Got all kinds of things happening here. Kitchen. We do have power. And an old baby girl. Baby peeing. Closet. Walk through. Another closet. Now it's got bars on the windows. Bathroom to be totally rehabbed. Okay. Looks like a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Small house. Little bitty house. So we can get access to the back. No access to the back. Wow. From the inside. Wow. That's different. Okay, that was a quick one. That was fast. Again, it's Robert Hernandez, 10-day home buyers. We're in Dallas. And this is our next project. Lined up, ready to go.